I got a brand new refrigerator. It's sitting on its back. What I need to do is I need to reverse the door. Right now it opens one way, I need to open the other way. So I am going to try to do this. Wish me luck. I'm now working to reverse the freezer handle. I already did the bottom, but I may have supposed to have done the top first. I'll find out soon. So I was able to have success reversing the bottom refrigerator door, but the freezer door is missing this piece. There's one for one side, but you need for the other. So now I'm gonna go to Home Depot, see if I can get the extra piece, but I'm gonna consider this a success for now. Found the missing piece and finishing up changing the reversible door on this refrigerator. Done. Boom.